This is a review of the HARDELL Rotary Tool Kit. Now the brand did send me a sample here, so I wanted to demonstrate some of the unique features of this very handy tool. First and foremost, it does come with 180 watts of power, which I am going to demonstrate for you today. To turn it on, you simply press here. You can see right away, turns on. Now this is speed setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can see the power this little tool does have here. The other nice feature is it does come with these accessories here. 56 accessories included with this kit. I'm not going to go through every single one, but this one here is for sanding. They do have one for grinding. This one here is for polishing, so just a lot of different uses. The one that's currently attached is for carving, so I wanted to demonstrate that. You can see the power to go into wood. So it does come in a nice ergonomic design. Very, very high quality build. You can see it's made out of a tough material. So overall, it's very easy to use. It's got a lot of different uses that you can use it for, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who has projects around the house that may require sanding, grinding, carving, polishing, or cutting.